विश यू अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। कैसे हैं आप सभी? चलते हैं आज की इस क्लास में। बच्चों, आज हम इस क्लास में क्लास 7 की साइंस को पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। और जैसे कि आप सभी को याद होगा कि हमने प्रीवियसली क्लास 7 में लेसन 9 को स्टार्ट किया था, दैट वाज अबाउट सॉइल। हमने सॉइल को पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया था। तो लास्ट क्लास में जो हमने एक ब्रीफ डिस्कशन किया था अबाउट सॉइल, एंड टुडे we are going with the same we have learned in our previous class. So our topic that was running during our previous class, that was soil profiling. So we are back with that. Okay, soil profiling. So I have to tell you firstly, let's just remember that what we have read previously. Okay, we have studied that soil is the topmost layer of the earth. Okay, and next point which we are going to discuss, that is composition of soil. Composition of soil. So what's there in composition of soil? Okay, so let me tell you that soil is composition of several particles and several things. What are those? Let's discuss that. क्या है वो सभी देखते हैं हम। जो first thing which is present in soil, that is our, what is that? That is our mineral particles. Mineral particles. Next is air. Okay, then water, living organisms, What next? Next is microorganisms. What's next? At the end, we can include in this that what is as present in this, that we can consist that soil consists of humus also. Okay, and here mineral particles can be included with nutrients. Okay, sorry, not nutritions, that is nutrients. Clear? So these are the things which are present in our soil. Okay, then next what we have to go with, that is our what is that? That is our soil profile. So let me tell you about what are the properties of soil profile. Previously we have discussed that how horizones are divided. soil को जो horizones में divide करते हैं वो कैसे और क्यों divide करते हैं, इसको हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था। पर आज हम डिस्कस करते हैं कि ये जो particular horizones के नेम है, इनकी characteristics क्या होगी, इनकी पहचान क्या होगी, what are their properties, और इसमें properties क्या present होती हैं, right? So let's start with O horizon. That is our topmost and the first horizon which is present in our Earth surface. O horizon. Okay. What's there? What's the property of O horizon? So students, the property of this O horizon is that this O horizon is rich in humus. It's more fertile. Plants and trees grows in this horizon. Okay, so it's the characteristics or the properties of the O horizon. This is, you can see it here, that this green area which is this in this diagram, the area which is covered by green color, it consists of O horizon. And O horizon means ये एक ऐसा horizon होता है जिसमें कि बहुत ढेर सारा ह्यूमस प्रेजेंट होता है, और इसमें क्या होता है, इसमें बहुत ज्यादा फर्टिलिटी होती है, बहुत ज्यादा फर्टाइल लैंड होती है, यहाँ पर कोई भी ट्रीज प्लांट इजीली ग्रो अप कर जाते हैं। ओके, और इसकी जो एक और पहचान होती है क्या होती है, वो ये होती है बच्चों कि इसमें जो है तो बहुत सारे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स भी प्रेजेंट होते हैं, राइट? सो नेक्स्ट हॉरिजॉन इज अवर, दैट इज अवर A horizon. We will discuss that now. What is there in A horizon? Let's see that A horizon. Okay. So this A horizon, the properties of this A horizon are, what are those properties? Let's see that. That is rich in humus. Rich in humus. Its first property. The next property of this A horizon is living creature. Living creature. What does it mean? It means that many organisms and microorganisms are present in this A horizon. Okay. Next, what's the next property? Inorganic minerals are present in this. Inorganic minerals are present in this A horizon, right? Next property of this is that this horizon is soft and porous. This horizon is soft and porous. It's so porous, that's why living organisms can go inside the soil and can come out for doing or having their meals. Okay. Next property of this horizon is that is it is the top. It is also known as topsoil. Firstly, let me to consider you here that this A horizon is also known as topsoil. Okay, topsoil. This both horizons are considered as topsoil. Okay. Next, I will tell you in the sequence that what else these horizons are also known as. Okay. So next, what's the next property of this A horizon which is mentioned in your book? That is, it has darkest color. It is darkest in color. Darkest color. What does it mean? It means that this A horizon of soil profile consists of darkest color in comparison with these B, C, and background. Okay, it means that the A horizon is in darkest color, darkest brown color, that is in somehow shades of black. Okay, so in this horizon you will find the darkest color. Okay, next property of this A horizon, that is it is fertile layer. It's fertile layer. Fertile layer. So students, it's very common thing that in A and O horizon both consist of both. If we just combine these two horizons, it will form the topsoil. And in both the horizons, in both the layers, what's the quality? The quality is this, that these both horizons are very fertile. These both horizons are very fertile. Living creatures are present in both type of horizons. Okay, and what is? These both are rich in humus. And the property of this A horizon is that it is soft and porous. That's why living organisms can go and come inside the soil in their burrows. Okay. Next, wait students, in this sequence, let me tell you that some animals which are present in soil, some names are mentioned in your book, that the animals which are living in this soil. Okay. So the animals you can call like so I will tell you afterwards. Firstly, let's talk about the B horizon. What's there in B horizon? Okay. What's there in B horizon? Right. Properties of B horizon. The properties of B horizon are that it consists of minerals. Minerals are present in this B horizon. Next property of this B horizon is that it consists of less humus. Less humus. Next property of this B horizon is, what's that? Next property of this weak horizon is that it is harder and compact. It is harder and compact. Okay. Next property of this B horizon is that it consists of more sand particles. What else is property of this horizon? That it's below. It's situated in below the topsoil. Below the topsoil, and it's also known as what? It's also known as. It's also known as that it is subsoil. Okay, it's regarded as subsoil. Okay. So, students, let's see here. Here you can see that in this part, before zone. What you can see here? You can see here that here particles are dense. Here particles are harder and compact. There is no such type of porous and softness in this weak horizon. Okay, and here one more property can be found that here less living organisms are found. Less living organisms are found. Okay, यहाँ पर बच्चों क्योंकि ये हार्ड और कॉम्पैक्ट होता है, दैट्स व्हाई यहाँ पर बहुत ही कम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, because they cannot go inside and come out easily. Okay, this is their problem in taking breed also, because you all know that what I have told you that air soil consists of air also, soil consists of water also, soil consists of moisture also, and soil similarly consists of humus also. So these all have living organisms, microorganisms to take breed and to have their food also. Okay, so this in this horizon, living organisms are less found. There are no more chances that living organisms may be present here. Okay. Next, let's go with sea horizon. Okay. So let's see that what's present there and what are the properties of sea horizon. Okay. Sea horizon, right? So what is there in sea horizon? Let's see. Sea horizon. Okay, fine. So the first property of this sea horizon, what is that? That is in this sea horizon partially altered. Partially altered. क्या होते हैं partially altered? Parent material is present. Parent material is present. Okay. The next property of this sea horizon is that no living creature is present. No living creature is present. What else? Beyond these, what is the next property? What can be the next property of the sea horizon? That can be that it is not fertile. Okay, it is not much fertile, or we can just include or exclude it. It doesn't matter a lot. The main thing which we have to remember in this sea horizon is that it is partially altered parent material and no living creature is present in this horizon of soil profile, right? Next, we are going to talk about the bedrock. What's there in bedrock? What are the properties of that? Let's see that. Bedrock. Now we are going to talk about bedrock. So students, in this bedrock, what is the property that unweathered parent material of bedrock is present? Unweathered parent material or bedrock is present. Now what does it mean? अब इसका मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों, इसको हम समझ लेते हैं. As you can see, all sea having bedrock. Here is present bedrock. क्या होती है ये bedrock? These bedrocks are the rocks of parent material. They are it's in assemblage form. बहुत ही assembled और connected form होता है एक बड़ी सी चट्टान का, एक बड़ी सी rock का. और ये जो sea हर्षों में आती है, it comes just because of weathering and alteration. What's the term weathering and alteration? Simply it means that breaking of rock. Okay, breaking of rock is considered as weathering and alteration, right? So students, when we talk about the rock, so let me tell you that rocks are three kinds. There are three kinds of rock which are present in our earth. That is igneous rock, then sedimentary rock, and then metamorphic rock. Okay, these are the three types of rocks. Let me write it here: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. These are the three types of rocks which are present inside within the earth. Okay. So students, these sea horizons are formed just because of breaking of any of these three rocks. Okay. And after that, what happens? Just this weathering and alterations never stops. It's a lifelong going process. It's a very long process, and there is no certain time that in this much time only weathering will happen. It depends on some factors. Those factors we will just learn afterwards. Okay. So let's come to the topic now. What the topic is now? The topic which we are going to read, that is our formation of soil. What is that? That is formation of soil. Formation of soil. How the soil is formed? ये कैसे फॉर्म हुई? जो मिट्टी है, जो सॉइल है, वो कैसे फॉर्म हुई है? तो बच्चों इसमें बहुत कुछ नहीं है. There is not much to read in this. Only the things which are basically mainly highlighted in your book, that is that breaking down of rock material, breaking down of rock material, breaking down of rock material, okay, by action of whose इसके actions के द्वारा, by action of firstly wind, water, okay, and what else और क्या factor होता है जिसकी effect की वजह से होता है? That is your climate. So the breaking down of rock material, जो बड़ी सी rock होती है, I have told you that there are three types of rock which are present in our earth. So the breaking down of any of these three types of rock, okay, by action of wind, water, and climate. What does it mean? That if wind just destroys it, okay, or water just affects on those rocks, or climatic effects. These effects, ये जो effects होते हैं बच्चों, यही क्या करते हैं? जो बड़ी सी parent rock होती है, it doesn't mean that it is of this much amount, okay? That rocks are very huge, बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ी होती है. And we can see like several, it's going on 1 to 2 kilometers. It can be more than several kilometers also. Okay, so there are several geomorphological conditions which on which rocks depends, right? So here, what we are going to study, that is when any rock, जब कोई भी rock होती है and it's breaking, वो टूटती है. किस वजह से? Due to wind, water, or climate. अगर वो टूटती है, then it will form the soil. For example, you can see it here. Let's suppose it's a big mass of rock. ये बहुत ही बड़ी सी चट्टान है जो कि अर्थ के अंदर में है, which is within the earth surface, जो अर्थ के सरफेस के अंदर में है. क्या होता है बच्चों? इसमें विंड का इफेक्ट होगा. एयर जो होती है उसमें जब इफेक्ट होगा इसमें यहाँ पर, है ना, तो क्या होगा बच्चों? इसकी वजह से क्या होता है? यहाँ पर क्रैक्स डेवलप होंगे. यहाँ पर क्रैक्स डेवलप होंगे। सिमिलरली वाटर का जब इफेक्ट होता है तो ऐसे you can see that sometimes in mud also you can see that where there is mud area and if raining is happening then what happens, the soil over there sinks like this, okay, and this type of holes, pits and burrows are formed, okay. Similarly in what climatic effect is happening on this rock, then what will happen, this rock will crack from here, this will crack from here, a crack will be formed here, and what will happen, this part of this rock, this much area of this rock will be broken from this part of this rock, okay. Means ये जो एक rock थी, जो एक चट्टान थी, क्या हुआ इसमें wind, एयर और क्लाइमेट का, इन तीनों में से किसी का भी या इन तीनों का इफेक्ट पड़ता है तो क्या होता है, then what happens, that it breaks down, जब ये टूट जाती है। और टूटने के बाद में क्या होता है बच्चों, जब वो टूट जाती है तो क्या होता है, पहले ये इतने से पार्टिकल में टूटी और क्या होता है, बहुत ढेर सारा छोटा-छोटा सा पार्टिकल जो होता है टूट करके इसी रॉक के आसपास में क्या होते हैं, कलेक्ट हो जाते हैं, and these are sometimes in form of big boulders and sometimes in form of sands, okay. So आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स, बहुत लंबे टाइम के बाद में क्या होता है, एक रॉक्स ऐसे क्रैक होती रहती है। ऐसा नहीं बच्चों कि एक बार रॉक क्रैक हो गई तो वहीं पर प्रोसेस रुक जाएगी, इट कंटिन्यूज, वो चलती ही रहती है, ओके, वो कभी रुकती नहीं है, ये नेवर एंडिंग प्रोसेस है, ओके। सो व्हाट हैपेंस, जब ये रॉक जब ये बड़ी सी रॉक थी और इसमें इन तीनों फैक्टर्स का इफेक्ट हुआ, उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, इसमें क्रैक आया। उस क्रैक के बाद क्या हुआ, जो ये जो चट्टान थी ये दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो गई, मे बी वो चट्टान यहाँ से भी डिवाइड हो जाए, यहाँ से भी क्रैक क्रिएट हो जाए, इट्स नेवर कंफर्म दैट फ्रॉम वेयर इट विल ब्रेक, वो वहीं से टूटेगी जहाँ पर क्या होता है, जहाँ पर वीक जोन होगा, जहाँ से वो कमजोर होगी वहीं से वो टूटेगी और टूट करके वो क्या होगी, पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाएगी। तो पहले वो एक पार्ट ऐसे डिवाइड हुआ, दूसरा पार्ट ऐसे डिवाइड हुआ, तीसरा पार्ट ऐसे डिवाइड हुआ, फिर बच्चों सेम प्रोसेस इस रॉक में भी चलेगी, इस रॉक में भी चलेगी, इस रॉक में भी चलेगी, इसमें भी चलेगी। देन व्हाट विल हैपन, ये भी कुछ पीसेस में ब्रेक डाउन होगी, सेवरल पीसेस में ये भी टूटेगी, ठीक है। और इस तरह से वो पहले इतनी बड़ी चट्टान इतने छोटे से पार्ट में डिवाइड हुई, टू पार्ट्स में, देन ये जो टू पार्ट्स थे वो फोर में डिवाइड हुए, और वो फोर पार्ट्स आगे चलकर क्या होते हैं, धीरे-धीरे ऐसे ही सॉइल का फॉर्मेशन होता है। I think so that you might have get this point now. Now let's see that what are the types of soil. अब हम देखते हैं कि आज इस क्लास में टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल क्या होते हैं, कितने टाइप की सॉइल होती है, okay, which are mentioned in your book, we will read that also. So now we are going to read about types of soil. Types of soil. So basically in your book there are three types of soil which are mentioned, that is sandy soil, next is your loamy soil, and after that there is clay soil. Okay, so these are the three categories which are, there are three types of soil which are present in your book. So let me define it कि कैसे होती है soils, क्या होती हैं, और इन थ्री कैटेगरीज में कौन से बेसिस पे डिवाइड किया गया है। तो बच्चों की थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल है, इनका डिवीजन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स पार्टिकल साइज और ग्रेन साइज, इनका जो साइज होता है पार्टिकल्स का उसके आधार पर इसको डिवाइड किया गया है। पार्टिकल साइज के आधार पर आपका जो ये टाइप्स हैं, तीनों टाइप से इसको डिवाइड किया गया है। Sandy soil, it means that this type of soil consists of this type of soil. What does this type of soil? This type of soil consists of big particles. Okay, large particles. यहाँ पर large particles present होते हैं. Okay, जब रॉक उठती है ना बच्चों, तो मैंने बताया ना कि पहले वो बड़ी सी रॉक दो पार्ट्स में, दो से फिर चार पार्ट में, चार से फिर आठ में, आठ से फिर 16 में, जब ये ऐसा डिवीजन होता है बच्चों, तो जब वो कैसे होते हैं, लार्ज पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं, जब उस रॉक के लार्ज पार्टिकल्स होते हैं समथिंग अबाउट दिस, ओके, तब उनको हम क्या कंसीडर करते हैं, तब हम उनको सैंड के नाम से कंसीडर करते हैं, ओके, एंड दैट इज हियर नोन एज सैंडी सॉइल। एंड इट डजंट मीन कि ये वही सैंड है जो कि थार डेजर्ट में पाई जाती है, राजस्थान में पाई जाती है, तो ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है बच्चों। सैंडी सॉइल जो होती है वो सभी जगह प्रेजेंट हो सकती है, कहीं पर कम मात्रा में होती है और कहीं पर बहुत ही ज्यादा अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होती है। सो इट डिपेंड ऑन द परसेंटेज ऑफ इट्स प्रेजेंस, ओके, यू कैन नॉट कंसीडर लाइक दैट only sandy soil is found in Rajasthan or Thar desert, it doesn't make that, okay, so it's a Very clear to you? Now that sandy soil consists of large particles. Okay, large particles of what? Particles of soil. Clear? Next comes to the loamy soil. What are the identity of this loamy soil? This loamy soil consists of silt. Silt. What are silts? सिल्ट क्या होता है बच्चों? सिल्ट की पहचान नहीं होती बच्चों। जब आप लोगों ने देखा हुआ क्या होता है कि जब नदी को बाढ़ आती है उसके बाद में आप देखते हो जो नदी का किनारा होता है, बैंक ऑफ द रिवर्स होते हैं, वहां पर बहुत ही फाइन क्या होती है? मिट्टी इकट्ठा हो जाती है। दैट इज कंसीडर्ड एज सिल्ट और ये बहुत ही ज्यादा फाइन होती है, बहुत फाइन होती है। ओके, नाउ इट कम्स टू द क्ले सॉइल। व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दिस clay soil? This clay soil consists of fine particles. Okay, यहाँ पे कैसे particles होते हैं? Very fine होते हैं, but यहाँ पर क्या होती है? Fine particles present होते हैं soil में। Clear? So these are the three types of the soil. Now let's talk about the types of crops which are grown in different types of soil. Okay. Types of soil which are present on different types of soil. Now we are going to read that. Okay, so let me tell you that in loamy soil, students, about this part of the class we will discuss in our next class. Okay, this much for today. आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में और उसमें हम पढ़ेंगे कि टाइप्स ऑफ कौन सी जो क्रॉप्स होती हैं, which type of crops are grown in which type of soil, और we can say it that कौन सी वो मिट्टी होती है जिसमें जो कि क्रॉप्स के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा कैसे होती है, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी होती है। we will read that also. Okay, हम उसको भी पढ़ेंगे अपने नेक्स्ट क्लास में कि कौन सी क्रॉप के लिए किस प्रकार की मिट्टी सुटेबल होती है। ओके, so this much for today. Do your homework properly on time. Okay, and your exams are near, so make notes properly and do your hard work and give proper attention also. Okay, thank you so much. Be safe, stay in home and do more study. Thank you so much.